Welcome to our channel. If you are searching for the best dual action polishers to give your car the showroom shine, you have come to the right place. In this video, we are breaking down the top dual action polishers, highlighting their key features, performance and value for money. Whether you are a professional detailer or a DIY enthusiast, we have got you covered. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into our review of the best dual action polishers on the market. Get ready for a smoother, shinier ride. At the first position of our list, we have LDHTHOPI 1600 watt buffer polisher, a versatile and powerful tool designed to bring out the best in your vehicle's finish. With its 7x6 inch pad size and 7-speed variable control, this polisher is perfect for tackling everything from light buffing to heavy-duty polishing jobs. The 1600 watt motor ensures consistent performance and durability, allowing you to achieve a smooth, high-gloss finish on cars, boats and other surfaces. The LDHTHOPI buffer polisher features an ergonomic design with a comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver, while the adjustable speed control gives you the flexibility to customize the polishing experience according to your needs. Built with high-quality materials, this polisher is designed to withstand heavy use, ensuring it lasts for years. Its competitive price makes it an excellent value for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts. If you are looking for an effective and durable buffer polisher, the LDHTHOPI 1600 watt is a top choice. Click play to learn more about this impressive tool and how it can transform your polishing experience. At number 2, we have AOBEN 6-inch dual action polisher, a versatile and reliable choice for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. The 6-speed buffer kit is designed to make polishing and buffing easier and more effective, whether you are restoring an older vehicle or maintaining a newer one. With a powerful 6-inch pad and a dual-action motion, the AOBEN polisher delivers a swirl-free finish that's perfect for a variety of surfaces, from car exteriors to boots and more. The 6-speed adjustable control allows you to tailor the speed to your specific needs, giving you flexibility for both light and heavy-duty tasks. The ergonomic design of the AOBEN polisher makes it comfortable to use for extended periods, with a lightweight build that reduces user fatigue. A robust construction ensures durability, so you can count on this polisher to withstand regular use and last for years to come. This buffer kit includes a variety of pads and accessories, providing excellent value at an affordable price. If you are seeking a high-quality dual-action polisher with a great balance of performance and cost, the AOBEN 6-inch dual-action polisher is a solid choice. Next up at number 3, we have the BATOCA cordless car buffer, the ultimate solution for convenient and effective car polishing. This 6-speed polisher features a cordless design, giving you the freedom to work without the hassle of tangled cords or restricted movement. Powered by two 12-volt rechargeable batteries, this buffer offers consistent power and performance, allowing you to tackle various polishing and buffing tasks with ease. With a 6-speed adjustable control, you can customize the speed to suit different surfaces and polishing needs. Whether you are restoring your car's paintwork or adding a finishing touch to a freshly detailed vehicle, the BATOCA cordless car buffer provides the versatility you need. The 6-inch pad is ideal for covering larger areas quickly, while the lightweight design and ergonomic grip reduce user fatigue, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Durability is key, and the BATOCA buffer is built to last. The high-quality construction ensures it can withstand regular use without compromising performance. Plus, the cordless feature and compact design makes it easy to transport and store, making it perfect for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts. Offering exceptional value at a competitive price, the BATOCA cordless car buffer is a must-have addition to your car care toolkit. The number 4 position is held by BLACK+DECKER WP900 Buffer Polisher, a reliable 6-inch orbital polisher designed to give your car a smooth, swirl-free finish. This compact and lightweight tool is perfect for car enthusiasts and beginners looking to achieve professional quality results at home. The 6-inch orbital pad is ideal for covering a large surface area quickly, reducing the time it takes to polish your vehicles. The random orbital motion ensures an even application of wax or polish without the risk of damaging your paintwork. This design makes it safer for those new to car detailing, providing a flawless finish with minimal effort. Featuring an ergonomic handle, the BLACK+DECKER WP900 offers a comfortable grip, allowing you to work for longer periods without fatigue. Its compact size and lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver around tight spaces, ensuring you get into every nook and cranny for a true polish. Durability is a key feature of this buffer polisher, with high-quality construction that can withstand regular use. The The competitive price point makes it accessible for both professionals and hobbyists alike. The number 5 position is dominated by Chemical Guy's TORQX Polisher Kit, a comprehensive 9-item set designed for both beginners and professionals in car detailing. The 700-watt dual-action polisher is engineered to provide precision and power, allowing you to tackle a variety of tasks. From compounding to polishing and waxing, with its 6-inch pad, this polisher offers the ideal size for large areas while maintaining control for intricate work. The Chemical Guy's TORQX polisher features a 6-speed control, giving you the flexibility to adjust the speed according to your detailing needs. The random orbital action helps prevent swirl and holograms, ensuring a smooth and flawless finish. The ergonomic design and lightweight build make it comfortable to use for extended periods, reducing fatigue and allowing for precision detailing. This kit includes a selection of polishing pads, compounds, and accessories, providing everything you need to start detailing right away. The high-quality construction ensures durability, making this polisher a long-lasting addition to your detailing toolkit. With its competitive price and comprehensive set of accessories, the Chemical Guy's TORQX Polisher Kit offers excellent value for money. Next up at number 6, we have LDHTHOPI Dual Action Polisher, a high-performance detailing tool designed to give your car a professional-grade finish. With a robust 980-watt motor and 6-speed adjustable control, this polisher offers the power and versatility to handle a wide range of detailing tasks, from light polishing to heavy compounding. The dual-action motion ensures a swirl-free finish, making it safe to use on various surfaces without the risk of damaging your vehicle's paint. The 6-speed control allows you to customize the speed according to your needs, providing flexibility for both beginners and experienced detailers. The LDHTHOPI dual-action polisher features an ergonomic design with a comfortable grip, allowing you to work for extended periods without fatigue. Its lightweight construction and compact size makes it easy to maneuver around your car, reaching tight spots with ease. This polisher comes with 8 high-quality pads, ensuring you have the right pad for every detailing job. The durable build ensures that it can withstand regular use, making it a long-lasting addition to your detailing toolkit. Priced competitively, the LDHTHOPI dual-action polisher offers excellent value for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have ZOTA 3-inch Orbital Polisher, the perfect mini-kit for precision detailing. This compact polisher is ideal for those hard-to-reach areas, offering a powerful performance with its 13.1 feet cord that gives you plenty of flexibility to move around your vehicle. Whether you are polishing, waxing, or buffing, this tool is designed to deliver a smooth, swirl-free finish. The 3-inch orbital pad is just the right size for intricate tasks, allowing you to focus on smaller surfaces like mirrors, bumpers, and headlights. The dual-action motion reduces the risk of damaging your car's paint, making it safe for use on various surfaces. With a lightweight design and ergonomic grip, the ZOTA polisher is comfortable to handle, minimizing user fatigue during extended detailing sessions. Durability is key, and the ZOTA polisher is built to last, with high-quality materials and constructions that ensure reliable performance over time. The 13.1 feet cord provides ample reach, giving you the freedom to work around your vehicle without needing extension cords. The ZOTA 3-inch Orbital Polisher comes in a convenient mini-kit, offering excellent value for its price. It's perfect for both professional detailers and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable tool for smaller detailing tasks. Thanks for watching our review of the best dual-action polishers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with your favorite polisher or any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all your latest content. Until next time, keep polishing and keep shining.